Hi there! We decided to make a tutorial video to help you view Alberton High School's graduation on May 17th, 2 p.m. that will be streamed through Google Meet. There's some tips and tricks that's going to make it a little bit more easy for you to watch and enjoy. Alright, the first step in order to watch the graduation is to download the Google Meet app. I'm on an iPhone, and so I'm just in the App Store, and I searched Google Meet. On Google Plays, on Androids, that will find this app as well. I've already downloaded mine, so it doesn't say get anymore. But once you download it, you should be able to open the app. Here we are. It'll ask you if you want to start a new meeting or enter a meeting code. Go ahead and enter meeting code. Remember, for graduation, it's UON dash ZRVX dash FDY. Again, that's the Google Meet code. If you have Google Calendar on your phone, you can open up the link directly from the Google Calendar. If not, this works too. Then you'll select Join Meeting. Once you join the meeting, it's important to turn off your camera by hitting that red icon there, and to mute yourself by hitting this. Now you'll be able to see all the things and all the participants down here watching the graduation. You can switch what you're viewing on your main screen just by touching the different icons down here. Certain times the screen will be taken over, showing videos from our seniors' clips and a discussion from the teachers. Once you're complete, you can just hang up and you'll be done with your graduation experience. Here's what it looks like on your desktop. Again, if you have the Google Calendar, you can simply select graduation for the class of 2020 and hit Join with Google Meet link. That will open up a new screen. And be sure you look over here, it'll be another prompt that says Join now. Once you join, you're inside. What you should do is ensure that you are muted and that your camera's off. Again, if you click the screen, that will bring up this bar at the bottom. Right there's how you mute yourself, and right here is how you take your camera off. Then you come up to your icon. There's going to be down here 3 dots, more options. Click more options. Hit change layout, and then spotlight. This will make it so whoever's speaking will be directly on your screen and be the main thing to see. Hope this helps, and we look forward to celebrating our seniors with you this Sunday.